The Welsh Government must take action immediately to ensure that this cohort of people find work as soon as possible, and they can take action. They can work with the colleges and sixth forms to make sure that there's a pathway for them into work, working with local employers, ensuring that there are apprenticeship schemes available. But there are also shovel-ready projects in Gwynedd which the Welsh Government could fund, work with employers and ensure that they are started by employing local people. Things like building new social housing, which is on the waiting list, and also retrofitting houses, amongst other things. So the Welsh Government can take action. It's a question of whether or not they think this is a priority for them, and ensuring that young people get into work. Is that a priority for the current Labour government in Cardiff? Only they can answer that, but it's certainly a priority for us, and we would start on these schemes immediately were we in government.